Can GPT-4 play games like a pro? Here's AI's surprising feat. Ever thought of playing a first-person shooting game with the help of OpenAI's GPT-4-5 model? Surely you didn't, as the AI tool isn't developed for this purpose. But to anyone's surprise, Adrian de Wynter, a Microsoft scientist, has come up with a way for OpenAI's GPT-4 model to play Doom. Accounting his efforts to assess if the AI tool possesses the potential to play the classic PC game, he published a paper and a blog post. He did this by merging GPT-4 with Vision API, which lets the AI model receive visual images, prompting a corresponding action. De Wynter then made a program to take screenshots from a computer running Doom, then added them on GPT-4, aiming to make it beat the game. The answers were then converted into outputs used to control the game. In his experiment, De Wynter provided GPT-4 access to a set of prompt generators that were instructed to succeed in the game and could learn from past actions. The findings reveal that OpenAI's technology is capable of playing Doom to a passable extent, indicating that the AI can navigate the map and engage with enemies. However, when compared to human performance, GPT-4 kind of fails at the game, and my grandma has played it way better than this model, De Wynter stated in his blog post. For instance, the AI model would sometimes exhibit foolish behavior such as getting stuck in corners and aimlessly punching the wall or shooting explosive barrels at close range. Furthermore, GPT-4 would frequently let enemies go and behave as though they didn't exist when they were out of its field view. De Wynter added, most of the time the model died because it got stuck in a corner and ended up being shot in the back. The results indicate that GPT-4 may encounter difficulties with long-term reasoning and object permanence, which refers to the ability to recognize that an object still exists even when it isn't visible. Another issue is that OpenAI's model sometimes fabricated reasons for needing to take certain actions while playing the game, he said. So while this is a very interesting exploration around planning and reasoning and could have applications in automated video game testing, it's quite obvious that this model isn't aware of what it's doing. I strongly urge everyone to think about what deployment of these models implies for society and their potential misuse.